This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your iPhone is unlocked and Bluetooth is on. This lets you verify the name against active pairings. Open Settings, then tap General, then about to view the current device name at the top. Once you see it, go back to General and get ready to edit the name field. This is where you change the identifier other devices see. Make sure iCloud Sync is active if you want the name to update across your Apple devices. You're now in the name field. Tap it and use the keyboard to enter the new Bluetooth name. Choose something short and descriptive so other devices display it clearly. Avoid unusual symbols that some older devices misread. After typing, tap Done to commit the change. The system applies this name to Bluetooth, AirDrop, and iCloud device listings, so paired speakers and car systems will show the new label. If you use screen time restrictions, make sure name edits aren't blocked by device limits. Finish by confirming the updated name appears in General About and on any paired device's Bluetooth lists. If you still see the old name, first toggle Bluetooth off and back on. Make sure nearby devices refresh their lists. If that fails, restart the iPhone to force a clean broadcast of the new identifier. As a last resort, reset network settings to clear cached pairings. But remember, this removes saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections, so use it only when other fixes don't work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.